Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix your Apple ID is not eligible to use this application at this time. So guys, when you try to sign in on Apple developer to enroll in Apple developer program and facing the issue that your Apple ID is not eligible, I'll help you how can you fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to go back on your home screen, and guys, now you need to open your settings and make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this you need to go back. So guys, now you have to scroll it down, and from here you have to click on general, and guys, now you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, you need to reset your network settings. Maybe there is network problem. And guys, now you have to check for software update, and you need to update your device to iOS 18 or later. And guys, after this you need to go back and log in again, and guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing this, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to download Apple developer app and you need to sign in here, and guys you can easily sign in. And guys, if still not fix your problem, then no need to worry, you have to click on account, and guys, you will see here the option of continue to enroll, continue your enrollment. So guys, simply you have to enroll in Apple developer program, and guys, after this you can easily sign in your Apple ID on Apple developer program without any error. So guys, this is the way to fix this problem. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.